Lesson 131. Unfinished sentences ending with to. Give me an example of an unfinished sentence ending with to, please.
He doesn't know if he'll see her at the party, but he's hoping to.
Finish this sentence, please. I don't want to do it, but I suppose I ought to.
I don't want to do it, but I suppose I ought to do it.
Chance. By chance. What do we mean when we say we give someone a second chance?
When we say we give someone a second chance, we mean that they have failed at something or done something wrong, but we give them the opportunity to try again.
Why do people have a much greater chance of living to a much greater age these days than they did in the old days?
People have a much greater chance of living to a much greater age these days because life today is easier and more comfortable, and medicine has improved a lot in recent times.
Which of the most important events in your life have happened to you by chance?
Of the most important events in my life, the ones that have happened to me by chance have been working in my present job, meeting my friends, etc.
Take hold of, take by surprise, take a look, second hand. Why do people take hold of something when they suddenly become afraid?
People take hold of something when they suddenly become afraid in order to give themselves strength and support.
What do people often do when they are taken by surprise?
People often jump when they are taken by surprise.
Would it be wise to buy a second-hand car without taking a look at the engine first?
No, it wouldn't be wise to buy a second-hand car without taking a look at the engine first.
Give me some other uses of the verb take, please.
Take a chance, take a decision, etc.
Temptation, dishonest. Do you ever get the temptation to do something a little bit dishonest?
Yes, I sometimes get the temptation to do something a little bit dishonest.
View. What kind of view would you like to have from your bedroom window?
I'd like to have a view of the sea from my bedroom window.
Hide, hid, hidden. Where'd be the best place to hide from the police in this building?
The best place to hide from the police in this building would be the roof.
What are the three forms of hide?
The three forms of hide are hide, hid, hidden.
Liar. Who's the biggest liar you've ever met?
A friend of mine is the biggest liar I've ever met.
Pay attention. Detail. Why do you have to pay attention all the time during a Callan method lesson?
I have to pay attention all the time during a Callan method lesson because the teacher could suddenly ask me a question at any moment.
When the police are searching for evidence at the scene of a crime, do they have to pay attention to very small details?
Yes, when the police are searching for evidence at the scene of a crime, they have to pay attention to very small details.
When you ask a friend what they did last weekend, for example, do you expect them to go into great detail about everything that happened, or just give you the basic facts?
When I ask a friend what they did last weekend, I don't expect them to go into great detail about everything that happened, but just give me the basic facts.
The plus adjective equals noun. Do you think governments should do more to help the poor?
Yes, I think governments should do more to help the poor.
Do the very old and the very young sometimes find it harder to fight illness than other people?
Yes, the very old and the very young sometimes find it harder to fight illness than other people.
Which nationalities are particularly famous for their food?
The French, the Italians, the Chinese, etc. are particularly famous for their food.
Sweat. Nervous. When do people sweat?
People sweat when they do exercise, when they are nervous, and when the weather is hot.
Do you get very nervous before exams?
No, I don't get very nervous before exams.
Underneath. Unlike. What's the difference between under and underneath?
The difference between under and underneath is that underneath means under that or under it, and, unlike the word under, it does not usually need to be followed by any other words.
Give me an example, please.
I knelt down by the car and looked under it. I knelt down by the car and looked underneath.
Wonder. Distinguish. A while. Can you distinguish the difference in pronunciation between the words wander and wonder?
Yes, I can distinguish the difference in pronunciation between the words wander and wonder.
What does the word wander mean?
The word wander means to walk around without any particular purpose or direction.
Give me an example, please.
We had lots of time before our train was due to leave, so we just wandered around the shops for a while.
What does the word wonder mean?
The word wonder means to ask yourself questions.
Give me an example, please.
There are some peculiar smells coming from the kitchen. I wonder what John's cooking in there.
Idiom 32. Get you down equals make you tired and unhappy. What does the idiom get you down mean?
The idiom get you down means make you tired and unhappy.
Give me an example, please.
He had to stop work because the problems and difficulties of the job got him down after a time.